Another scarf I wanted to show, which I haven't shown in a long time, and which was really popular, and I just adore it because it has such bright, beautiful colours, especially teals and yellows and all of those colours. And it has a nice little narrow hand-rolled hem in black. So again, fold these big squares into a triangle. They're 110 centimetres square, so you can make them as large or as small as you like. You can do it in the normal way that I'm so used to doing, just fold it around like that, and you have your lovely scarf. And you can pull out whatever colours you like. There's lovely yellows, lovely with navy, lovely with white, really nice. And you can pull them in any way you like, just around twice or whatever. Then there's the neater way, which is folding it into a band. So you fold that triangle into the center and keep folding it into till you have it as narrow or as wide as you like. Just pull it around, and you can have it tight on your neck, well, as in neat, and pull out the colours that you like, moving it around. You can get any colour you want. You can have one end longer than the other and pull it around so that it's nice and other, and have one flopping kind of over the other, pulling out the colours you want. But this scarf is fabulous because it has the yellows and those oranges that really brighten up your face. And especially really summery colours as well. So that's one way of doing it. And again, you can just put it around neatly, twirl these pieces around if you want a little bit of drama and the edges to be shown, or just neatly under your jacket. Or you can use the ring again, which is just fabulous, or a hair tie if you want to pull these into different shapes that will hold together. Again, you can use a ring that has a big stone on it or anything like that. Just make sure the ring doesn't have anything that's going to pull threads in your scarf. And turn it into a bow, or just have one longer than the other. You can pull it up around and create a bit of drama like that, as in you get the two corners. It takes a bit of playing around to do this one. Just tie it at the back and then pull out the pieces you want, and just have something that's really unusual and just a nicer way of showing off all the colours. So that's that one. That's called teal ribbons, and it also comes in a satin silk and in a smaller size. So that's 110 centimetres, which is this one, which is one of my earliest ones, and it's just an abstract pattern, a lot of reds, teals and pale blues in it, and of course the hint of yellow, which always brings everything to life. So it's an amazing scarf and goes with so much. So always start with your nice neat triangle, which is like that, and you can have it around like that and neatly into a coat tied with the band or the ring as before, or just your kind of cowboy effect, which is like that. And that's really nice, bringing the reds or the blues to your face, whichever you feel you need on any given day. And you can twirl these pieces around and you get a really nice twirled effect sometimes. So you can get a really nice twirled effect on that side. Again, pink, there's pinks, there's blues, there's everything in there. Really vibrant colours that are fabulous for brightening up an outfit. Because like this, it's just a navy jacket and a yellow top, and you can, with all plain colours. Now another way is to fold that triangle into the centre, make your nice band, and here I wanted to bring out that kind of cerise pink to the neck. So you just fold it so that that is out. So you have your pink to your neck. You can twirl these pieces around again, and you can tie that piece around neatly in there like a man's tie again, and then you have one piece looping over the other, which is a really nice effect when it behaves itself. So that's that. Can look really nice. Pull it to the side, pull out the colours you want. There's gorgeous pinks there to the neck, and or you could have the reds, the blues, anything you want. Another way of doing, which is lovely with this scarf, is that pretzel way, We have your nice band again. You do it, it's called the European. So you pull it around there and pull it through, and you have this nice thing that you can pull to the front or to the side. Pull out your pinks, your reds, white, lovely with a white shirt, because you have the piece of white in there. Now you can make it one end longer than the other, like that, and pull one side through only, and then get your loop again, twist it around, and then pull the other side, then pull the other one through, and you end up with something that they call like a pretzel. So just a few ways of just making a scarf look different and getting the colours you want, and just creating a bit of drama with your scarves. You can have all of those twirled around before you put it into the loop, and you end up with something quite different again. But again, play around with it and you have something really nice. Again, this one is gorgeous, pulled up with the ring, or done into a bow, just a plain simple bow to the side, and it's gorgeous. Play around with those sides of the bow, one side longer than the other, pull it to the side, and you have something. Another scarf that I just adore is this one. It's the purple spider. So this is another way of tying these. So you put it into, just fold it over onto itself so it's a rectangle, and then you get one corner, and then you're holding those corners so they don't lose, but then go down to this other corner which is adjacent, and you'll get something like that. Okay, and then you put that around your neck, like that, and you will fold these pieces over, tie that around there, and let it loop out here, and you get something really, really nice. Again, just having all those oranges near your face. Is the purple spider, lots of oranges in there, beautiful pattern. It's just incredible. Orange and purple together are just divine. So you get it into the triangle again. There's an amazing orange border, and then at the very edge on the hand rolled hem is a kind of a cerise pinky purple. So it's a divine scarf. So you can wear it in the triangle, or you can do a lot of other things. This is one of a new way that I've discovered, which is folded like that. So you have it like that. Bring all of these pieces in together and band around that piece that I pulled over in pleats, and then you grab your two ends and put it around your neck like that. You can pull it back around to the front just for a little bit more drama and more things going on. Double tie it there. You can push that piece in so that it's not seen, or you can pull it out, and so you get your triangle again, pull it around, have it really loose, have one side longer than the other, twirl these pieces around so that you have twirl its way around there anyway. So that's that, and you can again make this really neat, and it's a beautiful one when you have all these oranges at your neck. Beautiful with a white shirt, because a lot of them I always add a bit of black and white because they're gorgeous with a white shirt and a black jacket. Again, just tie it in like that, kind of tight at the neck, one piece longer than the other, and it's really, really gorgeous. Lovely with lots of colours. This is even just a navy jacket, and it's divine. It can be just loosely like that either, or you can just pull it around like that, have it twirled around and loosely under your jacket, or just tied there with a ring or with a little bow like that, a little knot, a little loop like that. So it's gorgeous. So you can have it whatever way you want, tight at the neck or loose, just loosely coming down like that. Pull out the colours again that if you wanted more purple towards the face or more of